ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India. Finally, I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Oba prestun song bulong sembut mitri rang bak jala. Oba peje ke District Council Affairs mulai tu oba Sorkar jala kamla satya banora Tang Kawei ki AD rule naga Bynta ki lightly ki Autonomous District Council ki badan hapo jala. Habai keren bigla pathai ko bor oba prestun mulai tu bagadaw kanong big lightly ki District Council ki don lagi jong ki jinge pair hakariti ki dostur.
You can't do that. How can we bring the same AD rules to all the three district councils? They have a different customary laws. They have different customary, practices. So it's not like that. Like in Garo Hills, they need AD rules separately, but it should be in line with the 60. So be it Khasi or Jaintia, they need to have the AD rules in place according to the principal act indicated.